Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. I've partnered with Accio Box, the only vegan and cruelty-free box in the fandom, which means they care about magical creatures and non-magical creatures in the world. And that's awesome. Also, I wanted to mention that their November box is magical creatures and how to spot them themed, and they'll be teaming up with the Protego Foundation to raise money for a campaign to benefit a chimpanzee sanctuary in Florida. And this place rescues chimpanzees from zoos and circuses and private ownership and the biomedical industry. So $2 from each box that's sold will be going to Save the Chimps. And I have a link to that in the description box below. And if you want one, you should order soon because the box is probably going to sell out quick. And if you do order one, you can use the discount code MUGGLEMAGIC, that's all caps, no space, and that'll get you 15% off your first box in a month-to-month subscription. So now, let's open the Accio box. First off, the packaging is nice and simple. It's just, just a box with this Accio tape around it, which I think looks really cool. I'm really looking forward to what might be in this box because it's all handmade stuff made by Harry Potter fans, so of course it's all going to be awesome. I'd really like to design something for the Accio box actually, and I'm going to try and do that, so if I do end up doing that, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so let's just grab something from in here. Okay, first of all, it's got the yellow tissue paper because Hufflepuff. I can already smell something and it smells very strong. I don't know what it is, so here we go. Oh. Wait, oop, almost saw, I don't want to see that. That's the cheat sheet. Never put the cheat sheet on top. Okay, here we go. I've got something. What could this be? It's Pepper Up Potion from Madame Pomfrey's Apothecary. I like the label, very nice design. And yeah, I think that might be what's so potent smelling. Yeah, I think that's it. It's an all-natural decongestant shower steamer bar. You place on the shower floor away from water stream and enjoy the aromatherapy. So yeah, there you go. First item, Pepper Up Potion. All right, let's get in here and find something else. Here we go. Soap. It's Felix Felicis soap. Obviously all vegan natural soap. It does smell good, but it smells really strong, so I'm kind of afraid to open the bag right now because I don't want to like fill the room with the soap smell just yet. It's Ashwinder egg and squill bulb. And here you go. There's the logo and the label there. Very nice. Let's see what else we have. Something. I've got something here. Oh, cool. You know what? Funny thing, I've been needing little measuring spoons. I've been needing to replace mine for a little while. So yeah, I got some awesome Harry Potter Hufflepuff themed, because they're yellow, measuring spoons. And it says Potions Master on it right here. I think this was fate. There was a prophecy that I would get these measuring spoons, and here they are. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. I think there might just be one thing left, and I don't want to, no, okay, yeah. I don't want to look because I don't want to spoil anything for myself. Here we go. We've got a Skelegro pin. I like this. I don't really wear a lot of pins, but I like them, so maybe I'm just a pin collector. Is that a thing? Obviously this box is themed for like potions class, so I'm wondering, I know there's a t-shirt in there, I could feel it, so I'm wondering what's on that t-shirt. Okay, here we go. I think it's time for the t-shirt. Okay. Yes. This is now my favorite t-shirt that I own. Thank you, Accio Box. Actually, I have this font. I have used that in some of my designs. Really cool font. Here is a better look at the t-shirt design. Just so cool. I think that's everything. Let me just double check. Yep, that is everything. The t-shirt is my favorite thing, by far, obviously, if you couldn't tell by my reaction. The cheat sheet is designed like a daily profit. Yeah, so you get 5 items in the Accio box, which is perfectly good, especially because these are handmade stuff. And it does, this insert actually tells you who made what. So let's go over that because these people definitely deserve recognition for what they've done. So the t-shirt was designed in-house by Accio Box. Very, very cool design. The Skelegro pin. This thing was designed by MUGGLE-born sisters. You can find them at mugglebornsisters.com. The Pepper Up Potions shower steamer was designed by Uplift Naturals. The measuring spoon set looks like, I think it was designed by Accio Box because it says you can find them on their Etsy shop, theacciobox.etsy.com. So I'm guessing that these were designed by them. And the soap was a collaboration with popsoapshop.com. Pop Soap Shop. That's like a tongue twister. Popsoapshop.com. Okay, so that's it for the Accio Box unboxing, and I did like the box, so I would recommend it. If you want to pick up the November one, I would do that if I were you. Like I said, they're probably gonna sell out pretty quickly. And like I said, $2 of it does go to the chimpanzee sanctuary in Florida to help rescue these chimps. So it goes for a good cause, and you get a bunch of awesome handmade Harry Potter stuff. So, I mean, why are you even thinking about it? Go buy Accio Box. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.